What is the front lever?
The front lever is a challenging calisthenics skill that demonstrates core strength and control. Performed by holding your body horizontal to the ground while hanging from a bar, the move requires your entire body to work in harmony. Achieving the front lever is a gradual process, moving through stages that build strength, body awareness, and technique.
Stage 1. Tuck front lever.
The tuck front lever is the first progression and is suitable for beginners. To perform it, start by pulling your knees toward your chest while hanging from a bar, keeping your back parallel to the ground. Focus on squeezing your lats, engaging your core, and maintaining a rounded back. Practice holds and negatives, increasing your hold time as you gain strength and stability.
Stage 2. Advanced tuck and single leg drills.
As you build strength, move to the advanced tuck by creating a straighter back and opening your hips slightly. You can also try extending one leg for the single leg front lever. These variations challenge your core and lats further. Incorporate controlled holds, slow negatives, and alternating leg drills for balance development and smooth progress.
Stage 3. Straddle front lever.
The straddle front lever involves extending both legs out while keeping them wide apart. This position reduces leverage compared to the full front lever, making it a valuable intermediate step. Train with straddle holds and focus on actively squeezing your glutes, hips, and thighs. Consistent practice with straddle holds will prepare your body for the final progression.
Stage 4. Full front lever.
The full front lever is achieved by keeping your entire body straight and parallel to the ground. Mastering this demands significant core, back, and grip strength. Practice full lever holds for short durations, gradually increasing time as control improves. Supplemental drills like front lever pulls and scapula raises can enhance your strength and help maintain proper body alignment.
Tips and common mistakes.
ACE tips include training consistently, focusing on controlled holds, and managing fatigue. Avoid letting your shoulders or hips sag, which can lead to bad habits or injury. Listen to your body, progress at your own pace, and combine front lever work with balanced pulling and core exercises to support overall strength. With patience, dedication, and proper technique, steady advancement is possible.